Today I come up with a new video on the Notebook LLM. So this is a Notebook LLM is the latest AI tool or app from the Google actually. Guys, this is amazing. It has built-in amazing features actually. I cannot imagine. So I don't know like I feel like after using this Notebook LLM, so I feel like it is very amazing. Please, guys, this app or tool you can utilize for the study purpose. Even professionals or any student or anyone can be utilized, and it is a free of cost, guys. Actually, there is no need to pay the amount. Actually, guys, actually, see, I'll be explaining how to use the Notebook LLM short in a short duration. Actually, so why? Okay. So, guys, please don't skip the video. Please watch till the end of a video and get benefited from the Notebook LLM. I'll be explaining hidden features of the Notebook LLM and each and every features of the Notebook LLM. Hello, guys. This is a new tool. Basically, this is released by Google. Actually, this is pretty much useful to the professional developer, even anyone student also, guys. So you just need to go to the Google and then basically when you search the Notebook LLM. So if we search the Notebook LLM, so the first page will open the this one. Okay, you can see that this is how it look like. Okay. So when I click on this one, so basically this is how look like a Notebook LLM. So basically this is released by Google, and also this is a AI powered research partner. Okay. So you can upload the multiple document. Okay. So you can upload the PDF document and as well as the different sources actually. You see there they upload the PDF, website, YouTube, video, audio files, Google Docs, and Google Slides and Notebook will allow the summarization and make the interesting connectivity between the topic and Powered by Gemini 2 multimodal understanding capability. Guys, you see this is how it is amazing, guys. This is very useful when if you are, let's say, you don't have time and you want to study this one. So amazing tool released by, and also this is a Notebook LM is AI power, so it has a built-in AI which supports. You can see this one, so you can you summarize the story of the analysis. So it is analyze and break down the James and this one. So this is pretty much useful. So yeah, like it will give the even insight also. So insight in the sense, let's say if you want to instant study guide. So like sometimes summarization kind of things or any other things you can require. And also there is a support of frequently asked questions also and a brief of document. If a big document is there, maybe like 10 pages or 20 pages PDF document, but if you want to brief about the document, so it will give the it will go through the Notebook LM behalf of you. It will go through the and it will be the brief about the document. Okay. So guys, and also see the source, not just the answer actually. So it will tell that like basically from the different source it can take this one, and also it will generate the audio overview, guys. Actually, so you can listen the whenever for the let's say you don't have time, but you if you want to study some topic and you can generate audio and you can listen during the travel time as well as during even gym or like workout hours as well. So this is very pretty much useful, guys, actually. So and also this is it is maintaining the uh, basically it suggests that do not use personal data to train your notebook LLM. So this is an under learning phase, so don't use your this one. Okay. So the how people are using notebook LLM, the power of study organizes your thinking and spark your new ideas. What people are saying is like seeing, guys, this could be next killer of app in the generative AI. Guys, see, this is how it has review from the different ecosystem. Notebook LLM is a glimpse of a future of an in the workspace. See, guys. So just guys, actually, so one second. Uh, you go to try now, guys. Actually, so when I click on try now, it will generate. So it will allow to log in actually. So this is when you log in. So this is happens actually. Guys, today I wanted to demo. Basically, you see, like this is a free of cost. There is no money involved. Like no need to pay any amount to anybody. Okay, so just create a notebook. Okay, so I'm going to give little bit demo. Say I wanted to study the um I want to study the regarding the Terraform details actually. So the Terraform is the one of infiltration part using the yeah, like it has support some Google Cloud and as well as have AWS provider as well as there are multiple provider. Even Azure also is there. If you want to create a infra, nothing but EC2 instance, any subnet, any other things you can do by Terraform. So I want to like I see my intention is to utilize this notebook LLM and I don't have time. So for that actually. So I'm going to use the notebook LLM guys actually. So I'm going to YouTube. Okay. I'm searching the some of a source actually. So some of the source is nothing but a guys, 1 second. Yeah. So I got a notebook and so I'll go here. So I'll search the Terraform. Okay. So Terraform tutorial. So I use this one. So I'll take the sum of a source from the which is most to the sun. So I'll take this guy. Okay. I'll use this one. Okay. So I'm going to use so there is a here is this guys actually you click on YouTube. So it will provide the guys so I added multiple sources. You can see that I added a beginner tutorial from the Terraform. Like this is a PDF document. Okay. Sorry, YouTube actually. So I have taken from the YouTube. Any URL I can provide actually. I'll show you how to add the URL actually. So just click on add source and there's a YouTube. So you can click on the insert, copy paste the your YouTube URL. So which will provide the source for the to study your then collectively. So if you want to go like generally we used to do is basically we used to do like a video by video and study one by one. It is time consuming process because of this notebook LLM is the built-in AI capability. It can do it can take the multiple source and it will generate the optimal study material for us actually. It will basically it will save the time for us actually. So I added you see like there is a beginner tutorial from the Terraform with AWS and also best practice using the this is also from different source and there are like totally I had it one is website. So if you see this is a best practice using the website. So and the two video and one PDF document guys actually. So I'm going to say here. So you see here, basically it will generate the you can ask anything actually. Let's say I want please generate uh, generate summary. Okay. So it will start generating summary. So basically, it uses the four sources and it will generate the summary, guys. You see it, like how it has generated, guys. So you can ask anything on the let's say if you want to go 1 second, guys. Actually, so if you want to go, let's say I want to see this is how it will do the number actually. So it will reference the from like a way from which document or which source has it has taken. So this is how like it takes and see here. This is from the Terraform tutorial for the beginner. So the 3 point is taken from that source. Okay. So this is similarly if you want to go anything that is also takes something. Okay. So guys, the each page also it has an indication. So from where it has taken, why it has taken, this is all. It is a like crispy way of learning. It has given the document summarization. So you can use as a save as a note. So you can use it will generate the okay. So summary of this one, it has generated as a node, and you can utilize for the any purpose. Okay. So you can ask any question. Let's say, how does manage the transform in infrastructure? Okay. So if you see, guys, actually, so this is how it will take the four sources, and it will generate the from the four sources, guys. So instead of studying from each document, so this is by powered by AI. So internally, this has built-in AI. It takes the reads the multiple sources and it will give the very crispy document to read it, guys. See, this is a provider component designed to specific technologies such as cloud provider for the AWS, Azure, or even Google Cloud also, guys. Actually, so you see number also it is provided from where it has grabbed the information. Okay, so from which document also it is there. Guys, actually, so if you see, there is another beautiful feature actually. So there is a add a note also is there, but there is another beautiful feature is mind gap. Okay, so mind gap is this is one of the best feature from the notebook LLM. So you can use it will generate and it will ready, guys. Actually, see guys, this is how it is generated. So basically, so it has created internally mind gap. So what is a Terraform? What is a Terraform versus there is a previously there was we are using Ansible. Okay, so now this is the latest technology from the cloud or the ACP Corporation. Okay, Terraform versus this one and Terraform architecture. You can just click on guys. Actually, this is it takes the Terraform architecture. So this has architecture as a two component. One is Terraform core and another one is a Terraform provider. So guys, this is amazing. So you can add a comment, you can add a bad content, so you can tell that to improve that also. You see, there is a it has taken this mind map is created using based on the four sources. You can add 10 or 20 sources also, guys, actually. So it will create the mind map. So if you click on this, let's say I'm going to click on the my Terraform core. So you just click on. So this is how it will takes the it will go into in depth. Okay. So so let's say I want to get started with a Terraform on AWS budget example. So click on here. So this is it is basically this tells that there is another mind map is created basically. So prerequisite write a Terraform as a main tier and Terraform command lifecycle. So just click on this one. So it will tell that there are Terraform command lifecycles are Terraform init, Terraform format code, Terraform validate. Okay. This will check the syntax and required information. Terraform plan, preview changes, Terraform upgrade. So basically, in this phase only, like a execution plan and create a modify resource. These are things are when you apply the Terraform apply. So actual execution will start and modify the resources. And if you want to test time, you can use the Terraform test time. So guys, so I never come across such a tool so far, and that's why like a lot of people are reviewed about the notebook LLM, and they given very good feedback from the different sources actually. Yeah, guys, this is how looks like actually. So I'll explain further how now mind map is created. Okay. So you see here how it has created the very beautiful way. Okay. So this Terraform with this one, what is a Terraform? What is a Terraform Sensible and Terraform architecture and getting started with the Terraform on AWS budget. Okay. And the benefits of iOS with a Terraform on AWS, best practices of AWS, best practice of a Terraform AWS provider. So guys, So if you want to, let's say, like I want to look only for the best practices, so you just like see this is like taken from there is a source from the website where like best practices are they listed. So it has taken. I see, guys, like preparing provisioning, security control, backends, and code based structure and organization community model. This is like guys, like so far I now come across that such tool, which is basically help us to any study, like a learner, a quick way to learn actually. So this is how it has created the mind map actually. Let's say if you want to deep dive into architecture, so I'm going to deep dive into architecture. So there is a two models, Terraform Core and providers. Okay, so you can see that there is a provider for specific technology, cloud, there's PaaS and SaaS actually. This is platform as a service and the service service as a service. Okay, so like if you want to, let's say, I want to see that in the AWS example, so they like it is going to specific to so from where it has redirected. Okay, see here, like so it has taken from a mind map to particular document from which source it has taken and it has listed. Guys, this is pretty amazing. Okay, this is how we can read a particular let's say I want to see the only specific part of the document which I'm interested. Okay, so I'm interested because of a lack of time, so I want to study only few things. Okay, so in that manner, like this LLM is help us. Very much useful tool actually. So you can add like any source if you want to add more source actually. Just click on this one and upload any document. So it has supported Google Drive. You can upload even from the Google Drive also, Google Slides also, and website. So you can just like when let's say I have website, just insert the page URL, guys. Actually, so such tool it is very amazing for this one. Guys, like let's say I want to summarize actually. So there is a purpose of Terraform in it. Like so, you can ask any question actually. So that will give very precise things, guys. Actually, so this is very amazing, guys. Actually, you can utilize this one. So let's say I want to generate the now basically this is generating the audio. So it takes a couple of minutes, guys. Actually, so you can see that this audio, okay, it's generates in a couple of minutes, and it will like you can this audio like a overview of a four document actually. So it is basically you can listen or like you can monitor if you want to, let's say I don't have time, if you want traveling also you can listen and you can learn actually virtually. Okay, so by listening the audio, so see this is amazing actually. So you can even generate like like a brief document, study guide, and frequently timeline. So also there's a video overview. So this is also it is recently introduced, guys. Actually, so like I'll give the little bit on overview actually. So you can yeah, like these are the features which is provided by the Google Notebook LLM. So till that, let's go through the mind map. So mind map is a like a amazing. Uh, Internally, it uses the AI actually. So that's why it has created this one. Okay. So if you want to particular like let's say I want from here to like it has to redirect it to particular basically it will redirect it to particular document of the source actually. So yeah, so it has come in. Okay. So from there it has redirected to from the source of the where it has generated. So this is amazing, guys. Okay. So you can see that the faster infrastructure changes and are significant benefits of using infrastructure as a code with the Terraform on AWS. So guys, even there is like a number it has given actually. So which will give the hyperlink to basically from which source it has generated. See, this is like if you see the if we highlight the number actually, best practices are using the Terraform AWS provider perspective. Okay, so you can go through this document, guys. Actually, yeah. So basically, see, it's kind of a indexing. Like so, this like four means like from the force this one, and if you click on this one, so detailed explanation of that source it is visible. Okay, so yeah, so guys, this is very amazing. So it's like audio is generating. So let's wait like till audio generates. Like even the other scenario also, guys. Actually, so this is amazing. Just wait. Guys, so this is like I was paused for the waiting for the audio generated. So just now generated, guys. Actually, so I'll just play that actually. So how it look like? You can imagine. So basically, if you see the source, right, like this audio is created basically from four sources. So which is okay, pretty amazing, guys. So you cannot imagine so much of a built-in feature which uses the LLM model and AI models actually to understand, analyze, and create an audio overview. So by defaultly it creates the 15 minutes audio overview. So whenever if you don't have a time and if you want to listen during travel time also, you can just listen and get the insight of the any topic actually, guys. So I'll play now.
Get
Okay.
much better consistency
Yeah.
across different projects.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're unraveling a concept that's really changing the game for building and managing digital stuff. Infrastructure as code, or IAC.
Right.
Picture this. Setting up, really complex cloud environments, not by clicking through endless menus, but just writing a few lines of code.
Yeah, that's the core idea.
That's the powerful promise. And in this deep dive, we're zeroing in on one of the most, impactful tools out there. It's Terraform.
A very popular one for sure.
We've looked at a bunch of great sources for you. Beginner tutorials like Chris Wall's on Terraform with AWS, Tech World with Nana's 15-minute explainer.
Both really good starting points.
And also the official AWS best practices guide. So our mission today is
Guys, even it has basically it has a like a built-in interactive mode.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're unraveling a concept that's really changing the game for building and managing digital stuff. Infrastructure as code, or IAC.
Right.
Picture this, setting up, really complex cloud environments, not by clicking through endless menus, but just writing a few lines of code.
Yeah, that's the core idea.
That's the powerful promise. And in this deep dive, we're zeroing in on one of the most, impactful tools out there, Terraform.
A very popular one for sure.
We've looked at a bunch of great sources for beginner tutorials like Chris Wall's on Terraform with AWS, Tech
Guys,
World with
actually,
Nana's.
So guys, actually, if you see this one, right? So you can join the interactive mode. So you need to click on
15-minute explainer.
join.
Both really good. Whoa,
So-
did someone just break the fourth wall? Let's hear it.
Yeah, it is going to open. So could you please explain me how to create a EC2 instance using Terraform AWS actually? Please list down the which are the component as part of a EC2 instance to be created to deploy Spring Boot application.
That's a fantastic question. And actually, it ties directly into what we were just about to discuss.
Yeah, great timing. We can definitely walk through how Terraform provisions something like an EC2 instance.
So when you're looking to create an EC2 instance using Terraform on AWS, you're essentially defining that desired server in your code.
It's all about that declarative approach we're going to dive into.
You'd write a resource block in your Terraform file, often main.ts.
And in that block, you'd specify it's an awesomeness resource type.
Then you give it a logical name, like my web server or a Simstance for Terraform to reference.
Inside that, you declare the attributes for your EC2.
Things like the Amazon machine.
Guys, you see that how it has created actually. So let's like say there is another video, guys, actually. So if you see this one, right, basically there is a video overview actually. So it has created actually. So if you see this has created with Terraform explanatory. Okay, so I'll play that just video. So this is also pretty amazing, guys.
All right, let's dive in. Today, we're talking about a tool that has, and this is no exaggeration, completely changed the game for building and managing modern tech in the cloud. We're talking about Terraform. I mean, have you ever really thought about how these huge companies, we're talking massive, complex systems on platforms like Amazon Web Services, how do they keep it all consistent and secure? How do they avoid total chaos without an army of people just clicking buttons 24/7? Well, here's the secret. It's not about clicking more or clicking faster. It's about code. And that right there is the big light bulb moment. The answer isn't working harder, it's about working smarter by defining your entire infrastructure using simple, readable code. But to really get why this is so huge, we have to take a quick look at the old way of doing things. And that brings us to the problem with all those clicks.
Guys, so see, it has created audio and the video overview. So, the what else you want, guys? Actually, so this never seen such type of tool, AI tool, come across so much of like every day I'm exploring the AI tools actually, but this is a very much useful tool for the studies and professionals, even students, the who are to learn the very quick way. So this will help us, guys. Actually, it will give the insight, very much insight. Okay, so you can give the it can generate the notes as well. Actually, so if you see this one, the it has generated the notes regarding the just overview. So you can just walk through. It is a very useful tool, guys. Actually, please share with your friends. So this is a amazing tool. I can say that. Yeah. So, like this is a free of cost. There is no money is no need to be paid. Actually, it is a free of tool, and also you need just a Google account itself. So that's all, guys. Actually, hello, guys. So this is Anjanappa. So recently I walked through about Notebook LLM. So this is a great tool, guys. Actually, please utilize. This is a very good tool, and you cannot imagine so much of built-in feature. Actually, it creates audio overview, video overview, and also mind map. So architecture way of learning. Okay, guys. If you like this video, please share with our friends, and this is a very good tool, and they can utilize, and this is free of cost. There is no money involved in it. Actually, just a Google account. Actually, so if you like this video, please share with your friends and friend circle. Actually, so I so that I can come up with multiple so such type of videos and good content. Okay, thank you so much, guys, in advance. Thank you so much.